This one got wiped out down the side. Then it has a messed up quarter panel.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Audi S5 here. This one got wiped out down the side. It's getting 2 new doors. Then it has a messed up quarter panel. Crushed down in here and all throughout here. I am gonna repair this quarter panel. I will probably end up having to weld a tab or two down in this area just to kind of roll that out a little more. But first I'm gonna go ahead and put the doors on it. That way I have the rear door so I can see how far off this is, and then I will start working this quarter panel back into shape. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put a small tab, well, the small tab right here, and bring that out a little bit, and then I will also, I'll be putting a tab right around here. First I'm gonna do this spot though, and try to work this spot out a little more. So I just about have the metal all worked out on this one. The rear door is lining up nice and even. Have a nice gap, nice and flush. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the fill work on this quarter panel. This one is just about ready for primer. I'm gonna go ahead and fit up this rocker molding just to double check the fitment one more time. And it looks like that fits very nicely. My door gap looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and lift these doors back off and get this one taped up and primed up.